A model of China's stealthy GJ-11 Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, appeared at a full-scale aircraft carrier test facility used to evaluate how aircraft would be fit and moved on the carrier's deck, radio transmissions and other tests. This indicates that GJ-11 or its developed version will become part of China's future aircraft carrier-based aircraft force. As part of the future aircraft carrier-based aircraft force, with reference to the J-35 model that appeared on the aircraft carrier model in the past, as well as the Kongjing 600 carrier-based early warning aircraft, we concluded that the arrival of an aircraft in the form of a model aircraft carrier model is a precursor to its entry into flight testing. From this it can be seen that the GJ-11 or its development version will enter the test flight stage. It has been generally believed that the Lijian UCAV is an early test prototype of the GJ-11. Since then, the aircraft has been greatly improved in stealth and appeared at the military parade in 2019. Since all the weapons participating in the National Day military parade are currently in service in China, this indicates that GJ-11 has been in service in 2019. The Chinese Navy has tested at least 2 types of UAVs with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities on the deck of the Shandong aircraft carrier. For the GJ-11 or the development type to be fully operational, the mothership needs to be equipped with a catapult like the Type 003. The size, weight and power of the naval version of the GJ-11 must be suitable for the harsh aircraft carrier combat environment. For example, the aircraft body must withstand high salt and high humidity environments, the wings must be foldable, and the structure and landing gear must be strengthened to cope with the strength of ejection and recovery. The naval version of GJ-11 can bring powerful new capabilities to China's carrier-based aircraft forces and may develop multiple versions. The first is the intelligence reconnaissance version. GJ-11 equipped with reconnaissance, ISR, equipment will greatly improve the perception capabilities of the aircraft carrier strike group because its stealth characteristics can enable it to get closer to the enemy defense area. It can provide real-time target data to anti-ship ballistic missiles and long-range anti-ship missiles as well as manned fighter jets. The second is the strike version. The GJ-11 has internal weapons carriage, which is very suitable as a carrier-based attack aircraft and has the potential to operate jointly with the J-35. Ejecting, arresting, etc. Actually operating a flying wing drone on an aircraft carrier is a completely new field. Communications, command and control architecture, and deck handling solutions must all be developed, tested, and deployed. This will be a huge challenge, but if successful, it may well be worth the effort in terms of its potentially revolutionary capabilities, which will provide capabilities unmatched by any other country on Earth. At the same time, it paves the way for more advanced equipment in the future, and the US Navy abandoned its own stealth attack drones in the 2010s.